Let me show you how to build these very simple planter boxes made out of only a few fence pickets. We got a 12 by 12 and an 18 by 18, and build plans are now available. The link is in the profile. I start with the leg assembly. I'm drilling pocket holes into these 1 and 3/4 inch pieces, and I'm going to screw them right to these 2 1/4 inch pieces to make 4 L leg assemblies. I then add the slats, 3 of them on each side on this 18 by 18 planter box. Once they're into place, then I'll put on the sides. I'm using 1-inch deck screws here. Brad nails could also be used as an option. Once the sides are together, I can then assemble the rest of the box. Once the box is together, I flip it over and add the 1-inch trim or floor support piece. I add one to each side, and then I add the floor. And I'll drill some holes for drainage. And then for the top trim, I'm using pocket holes to hold it together. These are just cut at a 45-degree angle. I'm using wood glue to hold it all together and 1-inch pocket hole screws. And then I brad nail it to the top of the planter with some glue, of course. And just like that, we have our simple planter boxes. Pretty basic build.